Hello, how you doing? This is Freddie from Bar Stars. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate some of the freestyle that I do for abdominal workouts that I do on myself and I train clients and for yourself also, okay? Just try to keep up with me. I'm gonna try to do 10 of each and I'm gonna try to explain to you a little bit. But like I said, I'm gonna try to freestyle and show you as much abdominal workouts that you could go ahead and use at home from your very own home, okay guys? I'm gonna start out like this. Get on the floor. Lay down flat, put my arms flat. I can start off right here, scissor kicks. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down to leg raises. Straight up, all the way down. These are exercises I've been doing for years. Just straight up and straight down. The most simplest ones, the ABCs, is the ones that count. Now we're gonna go to the middle. To the middle, just to the middle. Down and up to the middle. Next one is gonna be your lower abs. So you're just gonna pump it up, down and try to stay down and just stay right there. Hold, hold, hold. Now, one leg on top of the other, just like this, straight up, straight down. 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now you're gonna bring your legs up to the air. Put your hands out, touch your feet. Back down, back up, back down, down, up, down, up. Another one is, you're gonna switch. Now you're gonna put your hands up, legs. Legs is gonna touch your hands. 3, 2, and 1. You can stay with your legs open just like that. Come down, open your legs now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Right. Now, second one is going to be just like this. You're going to put your feet up in the air, lean back, put your arms out straight. Now put your arms to the side, make a tight fist, hold it. You should hold this about 30 seconds. If you can hold it for more than 30 seconds, you can do it for 1 minute. Okay? So this is a great position, just contracting your stomach just like that. And then we're going to do another one, guys. Lay flat, legs out straight, bring knees in, hands in. Knees in, hands in. Knees in, hands in. Knees in, hands in. Another one, guys, X's and O's. Just spread your legs now. And then go ahead and grab your knees. Grab your knees and then back out. Grab your knees and back out. X's and O's. O, X, O, and X. Now, you can bring up your knees just like this, guys. Put your hands to the side. Go side to side. Side to side. Side to side. Side to side. Make sure that your knee is touching the floor on each side. Also, another one you could do, keep your legs out, bring them in. Out, in, out, in, out, in. Also, you could lay your legs down flat, put your hands behind your head, and do crunches. Each side, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Switch sides. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Also sit up, put your hands behind your back, just like this. Bring your legs up into the air. Knees in and out. Knees in, knees out. Knees in, knees out. Knees in, knees out. Another thing, last and not least, guys, crossing your legs. Go side to side, side to side, side to side. 3, 2, 1. That's my freestyle, y'all. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. Bar Stars all day, every day. Freddie Fox. Hey, how you doing? This is just another couple exercises that we could do on the dip bar. Dip bar, we could go ahead and jump on the bar if you're strong enough, and you could go ahead and do knee raises, also leg raises. You could do all the exercise that you could do on a regular bar on a dip bar. Leg raises, knee raises. You can also go side to side. Bring your knees to your left, bring your knees to your right. Just bring them up. You can also modify. If you can't get up on this side, you can also go down on your forearms. Do the same thing. Knee raises, straight leg raises. And bring them over your shoulder. Same thing. If you want to modify a little bit more, you bring them all the way up. Explosive. That will work out your core. Bar size.